Hi ladies and gents, and welcome back. In fact, Lachlan Elsworth here. What I wanted to do is summarise the weekly trading for the 11th through to the 15th of May 2009 on the S&P 500, which is the Standard & Poor's 500 futures index that we use to trade. Now, how do we trade? The 55, the 89, and the 144 tick chart. So just different speeds of chart, exactly what we've been taught to do by the pro traders out of the pro trading rooms. What I wanted to do is very, very quickly take you through two very key points that have come out of this week's worth of trading. Now, I've brought up here the first screen of the week because the first trade of the week, first screen of the week, was an absolute duster where we lost 15% on the first trade. Now, the reason that I put that up, ladies and gents, is to reinforce a very, very key learning point. And that learning point is, please trade with stop losses. If you have the advantage of the teachings that we have been given, please trade with the stop losses that you're being given by the pro trader. Do not do anything else other than what the pro trader has told you to do. As it turns out here, the first signal here was in fact a loss signal. Yes, so what? We lost 3 points, or just on 15% return. We could have actually lost a lot more, in fact over double that, if we didn't have a stop loss in place. So please do trade with a stop loss. Please do exactly what you were told to do. Now, a little bit of a negative note. On a more positive note, I want to look at the 144 trading, which was absolutely amazing trading. Now, I want to pick on the 144, particularly for Tuesday the 12th. Now, you'll see here Tuesday the 12th, these signals just ran and ran and ran. So some days the market is designed to annoy us, other days it's designed to complement a disciplined trader who is patient and does exactly what their plan tells them to do. Ultimately here, what we were able to do for the conservative traders: 3 points, 2 points, and 2 points. 3 points on the green arrow down the bottom, 15% return. 2 points on this continuation signal if you were using the defined targets. Well done, another 10%, and then the yellow arrow again, another 10%. For those that extended their trading session, the red arrow on the other side, between a 10 and 25% return. Well done. For those that are a little bit more experienced and a little bit more aggressive, you could have taken these signals to a huge return. The first one actually paid 10 points, the second one 6 points, and the third one over 2 points. So call that 18 points. At 5% per point is just on a 90% return in the first hour and a half of the trading session. The key second, or the second key point that I want to raise, ladies and gents: if the market is running, let it run. If you don't get a counter sell signal, don't get out of the trade. Unless you are nervous, or unless you see the 4-touch rule starting to get activated. The traders this week that earned more money than the other traders were those people that actually adjusted their targets, their profit targets, higher and higher and higher, and actually got out of the trade using their trailing stops as opposed to their profit targets. Completely understand if you want to stay conservative and just grab your 3, 4, and 5 points, so be it. But for a 10-point run up like that, ladies and gents, it's a shame to only get 3. 3 points, 15% return; 10 points, 50% return. All you had to do is stay in the market just a little bit longer. So all in all, ladies and gents, a pretty strong trading week with actually a very weak start. If you have a look at the trading summaries for this week, ladies and gents, you'll note some days were plus 70%, other days were off minus 2.5%. Either way, if you were conservative, you should have grabbed around about a 50% return this week. So just on 10 points in total. If you were aggressive, you could have actually got around about double that, or in fact more than double that. Congratulations to those people that have decided to come and trade. Well done. Everything I'm doing here is a summary of my personal trading, directly reflected by what I have learned from the pro traders in the trading rooms. If you want to find out more about what we do, ladies and gents, then do not hesitate. Just go to tradeforyourfuture.com.au, tradeforyourfuture.com.au, register for a webinar, register for the trading game. Have what we do explained firsthand, and then jump in and see if you can use it against the other traders in order to make some money. prove that you can make money before you start doing this live. Prove you can. It's actually a really good fun activity. It's available every week for anybody in the world. Just log in and go from there. If you've got any questions at all, ladies and gents, jump on the tradeforyourfuture.com.au website and ask us a question, and we'll get back to you, and we'll go from there. So please have an absolutely fantastic week. Have a great weekend. For those that are trading, well done. Stay profitable, stay disciplined, do exactly what your trading plan tells you to do, and I look really forward to updating you on the trading from next week once it's all happened. Have a great weekend, ladies and gents, and bye for now.